Did you hear? Vancouver Living Magazine just listed one of Vancouver's apartments' kitchens with their 2020 Editor's Choice Design Award. That's like the Super Bowl of kitchen awards. And it just so happens that I happen to have a key. And security hasn't figured it out yet. Success. I don't think anyone heard me because of the quiet concrete walls that the Telus Garden has to offer, but maybe they'll see me through the windows with endless views. I can see the Tsawwassen Ferry Terminal to Horseshoe Bay, from SFU to UBC. We have well over 1,500 square feet here with not one but 2 master bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. They may or may not have seen me. I'm in the Sub-Penthouse way up on the 50th floor. Unless they have Superman vision, I think I'll be fine. Either way, I'm just gonna enjoy some wine in the refrigerated wine room. This unbelievable 500 plus bottle custom climate controlled wine fridge is absolutely incredible and even comes with its own sommelier. When you grab a bottle that you like, you head into the award-winning kitchen with Miele and Wolf appliances, including a wall steam oven, top of the line Miele built-in coffee maker, and a convenient white wine fridge. I figured I'd just check out the warm outdoor pool and year-round hot tub. And look, I'm the only one here. Good news is it's open year-round and even during a pandemic with, of course, a limited number of people.
Jessi, this is security. We know you're in here.
After the pool, head over to any of the local stores and restaurants. You're in the center of everything at the intersection of Georgia and Richards, one of the most sought-after locations in Vancouver. Well, looks like I've lost my key. No more luxury wine room or award-winning kitchen for me. So the good news is, you don't have to lose your key. This place is open for showings. I'm Jessi Johnson. Contact me to get your key today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educationally entertaining videos and check out my book on Amazon.